Hello friends, I Poonam Sharma, Assistant Professor, Byani Girls College welcomes you on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am delivering my lecture on forms in the HTML. Forms allow the user to enter their values in the web pages. Here we will display an example of how to create forms using the HTML tags. Here we will start the program using the HTML tag, head section and a title my web page, which will display on the title of the web page. Now we will close the title tag, head tag and start body tag, which display actual content of the web page. In body tag we use center tag, which align all the content of this web page to center in the center alignment. H1 tag will used here which show the content in the form of heading. Here we display the content as registration form. Now we close the center tag and start the form tag. Form tag is used to design the form. It have two attributes, method and action. The method attribute have two values, post or get. Post we use to define how we can send how the client will send the information to the server, which method is used to send the information to the server, and action will use to define which program at the site of server will process this form. Now we start a paragraph tag. In paragraph tag we display a text name of the student. To take the input value from the user, we create a text box using the input tag. In the type attribute we define text. That means for taking the input we are going to create text box. The name of this text box is name and size of this text box is 20. The maximum limit is 25 for entering the character in this text box. Now BR tag is used to break the line. Now second text is displayed on the web page is address. For taking the address we are using TextArea. TextArea tag is used to create multiple line text box. The name of this text area is address. The size of this text area defined in row and column. The rows are 3 and columns are 45. Now we close the text area. The third option is for gender. Here we will create radio buttons, that means option button. In option button, in the group of option button, we are allowed to check only one option from a group. Here we have two options for radio buttons. First is the type of this type is radio button and name is the general. Value which will send to the server is M and the text which will display on the web page is mail. Again we create the second option button with the type radio. Name is same as first name gen, value is F which will send to the server and the text which display on the web page is female. User are allowed to check only one option from these two option buttons. Now again we use the BR tag to break the line. Third we create the courses. We create a list box for the courses. To create a list box we use select tag. The name of the select tag is course and size is 1, which show that the text it display a list box of the size 1 only. Only one content will display at a time at the screen. There are 4 options we have. Option 1 display BCA, second option in the list is BBA and third option BSCA and fourth is the BA. Now we close the select box, that means select close means we close the select list. Next option is the other add-on courses. In other add-on course using the other add-on courses we show the check boxes. In the check box we have the facility to check multiple values. Here we create a checkbox to display the course with value MOS and second checkbox with the value tally. User are allowed to check either one or both of the courses from these checkboxes. Now again BR tag is used to break the line, and now we create two buttons to send the data to the server or reset the data. To send the data to the server, we use submit button. It create a button with value submit and display registered now on the button label as a button label. Second button is reset button, which is used to reload the web this form again on the page. Reset will clear all the content which are earlier entered in the web page and refresh the page. The value which is displayed on this reset button is cancel. Now we close the form tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now we display the output of this program. The output of this HTML program is displayed like that. Registration form as an heading, a text box for taking the name of the visitor, address using the text area, two option button for selecting the gender, select list for display the list of courses, two check boxes to select the add-on courses, and there are two buttons, one for register now for submit these details to the server, and second is the cancel button to refresh this web page. Thank you and thank you for watching this video. For more details, please visit www.gurukpo.com.